Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Vertusa company is hiring for the Google AdWord analyst position. This is an urgent hiring. Okay, so fresher are also eligible to apply for this. From fresher to experienced candidate are eligible. Those who are interested, then you can apply. Okay, job position is Google AdWord analyst. They will provide you a salary of 2 lakh to 2.7 lakh per annum. Job location is Noida, Faridabad, Gurgaon, Delhi. Okay, so if you are comfortable with these job locations, then you can apply. And don't directly click on apply link, because I will tell you the another process to apply. Okay, so job location is Gurgaon, need immediate joiners only. Okay, so expected to be well versed with the new medium and using the web space effectively. The candidate must have an analytical thought process combined with an attention to detail in order to help in the suggested ads creation. This will be your roles and responsibilities once you join Vertusa company. You need to review ads, search content, prepare ad content and creatives, review search contents and classify them as per client guidelines, review contents given by clients, comments or edit, then review landing pages or home pages. Analysts have to check the quality of the content for advertisement. The candidate must ensure that the text content that goes online is not offensive or violates any copyright laws. Okay, for the fresher candidate, they are providing CTC of 2,11,473 LPA with 14 month service agreement. There will be a 14-month service agreement, and for this 14 month your salary will be this one, as we are looking for stable candidate for Google project. Experienced candidate max we can offer 2.5 to 3 LPA. Okay, so interested candidate, now this is the way to apply for this Vertusa drive. Interested candidate share profile on this mail ID. Okay, I will provide this mail ID in the description box so that you can apply directly. Okay, so what detail you need to share to this mail ID? Okay, total experience. If you are a fresher, then in front of a total experience write here fresher. Then current CTC write, if you are a fresher, write 0. Expected CTC you can write this one. Then what is your current company? You can write NA, that is not applicable if you are a fresher, then only. If you are an experienced, then you can fill all these details as per your preference. Current location, mention your current location here. What is your notice period? For the fresher candidate, you need to mention here 0, and in bracket mention that available to join immediately. Okay, so those candidates who are really interested, please apply for this. And thanks for watching this video.